Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to focus your Sony A7II. First, familiarize yourself with the focus mode dial on the front of your camera. This dial allows you to quickly switch between single-shot autofocus, continuous autofocus, and manual focus. For static subjects, single-shot autofocus is ideal, while continuous autofocus tracks moving subjects effectively. Manual focus gives you complete creative control over your image. For manual focus, activate focus peaking in your camera's menu. This feature overlays a colored outline on the sharpest edges of your image, making it easy to see what's in focus. You can also magnify your view up to 5, 9 times, or even 12, 4 times for extremely precise adjustments. Simply press the center button on the control wheel to zoom in and out, ensuring every detail is perfectly sharp. When using autofocus, AFS or single-shot autofocus is best for stationary subjects like landscapes or portraits. It locks focus once you half-press the shutter button. For moving subjects, switch to AFC or continuous autofocus, which constantly adjusts focus as your subject moves. Additionally, direct manual focus or DMF lets you autofocus and then fine-tune manually without switching modes, offering the best of both worlds. To further enhance your focusing speed, customize your camera's buttons to quickly access frequently used focus settings. Experiment with different focus areas, such as wide for general scenes or zone for a specific region, to match your shooting style. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with these techniques. Also, for a great way to stay refreshed, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.